Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever faced a frustrating date of birth e-file rejection on TurboTax, don't worry. You're not alone. Today I'm going to walk you through a full 2025 step-by-step guide to fix this issue so your tax return can be accepted smoothly. Stick around because this is simpler than you think. First, open your web browser and head over to the official TurboTax website. Sign in using your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, take a moment to create one. Once you're logged in, you're ready to tackle the issue. On the homepage, locate the 2024 Taxes section and click on it. This will bring you to your current tax return where all your information is stored. Next, click on the Review button. TurboTax will automatically scan your return for potential problems. After the review is complete, click Start to address any identified issues. Then click See Issues to view a detailed list of areas that need your attention. Correct personal information. Find the Personal Info section in the list. Here you'll see a Fix button next to the discrepancy. Click it, and it will take you directly to the field that needs correction. Update date of birth. Now, carefully navigate to the date of birth field. Double-check that it exactly matches your official documents like your driver's license or birth certificate. Correct any inaccuracies and make sure to save your changes. Accuracy here is key. One small mistake can trigger another rejection. Resubmit your return. With the correct date of birth entered, return to the main filing section. From here, you can finalize and resubmit your e-file. TurboTax should now accept your return without any issues. And that's it. You've successfully fixed your date of birth e-file rejection on TurboTax. If this guide helped you, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials that make taxes easier. Drop a comment if you run into any other issues. I'd love to help. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.